INFP.
INFP. Gago, parehas tayo.
INF.
Tayo. Wait nga.
INFPT.
Parehas tayo. Totoo.
Bakit INF ka pa? INFP.
Oo, INFPT ako eh.
INFPT. Baka nga kasi, as an INFP, you possess a rich inner world
Ganda
brimming with
ako.
imagination. Sabi wala sa akin ganyan. Ito sa akin lang. Tignan natin ilang percent ka introverted. 58% ka introvert.
Mm.
Ako 53 lang. Yung feelings mo,
INFP ka?
56. Feelings ko mo, 93. Sa akin, 56. Tactics, 79 ka. Ako, 65. Identity, 68. Sa'yo, 58. Intuitive.
Parehas ba talaga tayo?
Urban. Ba yung nasabi?
INFP.
INFP ako. INFPT.
INFPT. INFPT. Oo, yan ako eh. Totoo ba? Pero mas
Malay mo kaya nga tayo nagkakasundo minsan eh.
bagay.
Kasi nga, you possess
Hindi,
some
IS.
As an ISFP adventurer, you are true artist of life, crafting beauty and meaning in everything you do. Your creative spirit is matched only by your deep sensitivity to the world around you. You have an uncanny ability to live fully in the present moment, savoring life's experiences through your finely tuned senses. Feel ko nga ganun ka naman.
Ikaw masabi sa
Sa akin ay... sabi sa akin... All that is gold does not glitter. Sabi dito, all that is gold does not glitter. Not all those who wander are lost. The all that is strong does not
Oh,
glitter. Deep roots are not reached by the frost. Hindi ko nga gets. Nakalagay dito. As an INFP, you possess a rich inner world brimming with imagination, empathy, and idealism. Your compassionate nature and deep-seated desire to understand the human experience make you a natural, confident, and source of support to those around you.
Wow.
You approach life with a sense of wonder, always seeking meaning and authenticity in your experiences and relationships. Your creativity is a wellspring of inspiration.
Wow.
I don't get it. Sabi mo, ano daw ako, empathetic daw ako.
Wow. Empathetic ka pala.
Your career path. Sabi dito. In your professional life, you're driven by a deep-seated need for meaning and purpose. You thrive in environments that allow you to express your creativity, helps others, and stay true to your values. That's me, girl. That's me. Ay, wait lang. Dapat, ano natin? Magkakasundo ba ang INFP or ISFP? Natin. INFP versus INFP. Tapos hindi pala sila magkasundo, ano? And, ano sa akin?
INFPT.
Sa'yo, ano sa akin?
Yung sa'yo, INFPT, sa akin, ISFPT.
Versus.
But versus?
Ano ba?
Compatibility ka.
Sige.
Versus other.
With ISFP. T. Ako pala sa akin, T. Search. Hello! INFP are more likely to trust ISFPs who appreciate and value their creative solution. What? Kagi! Totoo din, nakikinig naman ako sa'yo. While ISFP tend to trust INFP, who can learn to live more in the present and appreciate more moments of beauty.
Tingin. Paano ba yan? Anong mo? Sain mo?
Virgo.
Search mo, Virgo and Cancer.
Virgo.
Virgo and Cancer friendship.
With Cancer. No?
Ano with Cancer?
Cancer ka kamoy.
And Cancer, hindi with Cancer.
Pwede na yun, mag-guess na ng Google. Hello!
Ang sabi.
Cancer and Virgo make for excellent friends and lovers.
Oh.
They are sound, well-balanced. Ay, ang couple naman to. Friendship lang eh.
Sabi ko sa'yo. Ba't kasi with? And kasi.
Eh, tigin na. Pwede na yun, mag-guess na yun. Cancer and Virgo make for a steady friendship marked by mutual support.
Oh.
Cancer, ba't ikaw na lang lagi? Sabi, Cancer brings the nurturing. Lagi na lang ikaw.
Be, wala kang red flag sa amin.
Virgo
Sorry.
brings the planning. Ako magpaplan ng pagpapatay tayo. This friendship thrives on shared value of loyalty and dedication. They are able to understand and navigate one another's need even when their communication styles differ.
Ano? Ano pa?
In the long run, tas nag-aaway.
Cancer and
Virgo remain good friends, and their friendship is characterized by honesty, commitment, and admiration. The combination of their abilities and the fact that they have a lot of common in terms of their values make the relationship rather stable.
yung sa ano
and
naman, like,
lasting.
yung ano natin, red flags natin.
Red flags for you.
Yung sa ating dalawa.
Red flags, girl. Red flags talaga. Hala!
Ano sabi?
Ganito ko nga!
Feel ko.
Sabi niya, Cancer may sulk or get very sensitive when she feels offended. While Virgo may react with logic or words that may perceive as negative and this may worsen the condition.
Alam mo na yung hiningi kong advice sa'yo, baka mamay.
Kapal mo, naghingi ka pa. Another problem is that Virgo is too critical and may not notice all the good things Cancer does. And may even point out Cancer's imperfection. Ba't ikaw na lang lagi ganda?
Ba't ako na lang lagi kawawa?
Sabi naman, good shot daw ah.
Sorry. Kami bida dito. Ano pa?
Dapat friendship.
Wala akong mahanap na maganda.
Meron na. Ba't nakikinig daw ang mga Cancer sa Virgo?
Nakikinig naman ako. Nakikinig ako sa'yo.
Sabi, who is BFF with Virgo? Capricorn.
Wow, si J. Ay, hindi. Sagittarius.
Sino ba mga Capricorn dito? Hindi kasi ako naniniwala sa zodiac sign.
Dapat nga kami hindi naniniwala sa ikaw dito.
What are the Virgo's worst enemies? Gemini. Sagittarius.
Ayoko ng Gemini.
Ano ba mga Gemini?
Red flag.
May 21 to June 20.
Ay, search mo, beard.
Buti di umabot si
Ay,
Kuya.
hindi. Ano ka kasi, eh. Hybrid ka, eh.
Hybrid.
Di ba ano ka? Last day ka ng Virgo?
21. 29.
Di ba last day ka ng Virgo? So, hybrid ka.
Hybrid ako.
Hindi ka pure Virgo.
Ano ako? Oh, God.
Human na Virgo.
August 29 zodiac sign. Sabi. Virgo, 6-9 up zodiac. Oh, hindi tayo compatible to. Grounded, the ideal matches are often Capricorn, Pisces, and Taurus. What is a Virgo love language? Act of